Hello guys, Rapid Chess here, and I want to quickly show you a game between Levon Aronian playing white and Jorden Van Forest playing black. So white is going upwards and black is going downwards. So Aronian is down 2 pawns. You might think that Jorden is very weak player, very weak GM, but he is not. He just recently won a very strong Tata Steel with players like Magnus Carlsen and Anish Giri, and he won on the tie breaks against Anish. So he's a very strong player, of course, and Levon is trying to draw here. His idea mainly to give perpetual check, something like queen to h8 and back. So king cannot go to g4, for instance, because of the queen f4, king h5, and queen to h4 checkmate. So Jorden was thinking how to protect from this, and he thought that, okay, I might be playing queen to f5, defending the check from the e5 square. The right move here would be c3 to allow this check, queen to h8, king to g5, queen to e5 check. Now defending the king with the queen. Queen takes the pawn, and black arrives at this double check on the king and queen, and after exchange, so black is winning with the spare pawn. So let's take a move back. So Jorden played logical queen to f5, and it appears to be a blunder. If you have a minute, you can think. And what did Levon do? Levon played queen to h8 check, and after the only legal move, king to g5, queen h4 checkmate. And we see that this queen here, it took away the only escape square for the black king. Alright, thank you very much, see you next time.